Hello and welcome to our presentation on resources associated with trigger commands in SQL and SQL as a programming language. All 4 team members contributed 6 bookmarks to the web quest and aided in the selection of the best sites and assembling of the slides. Our first website is from Microsoft.com and explains SQL server triggers. The website is an easy read. It gives a good explanation of the trigger types, explaining the difference between after and instead of triggers. It provides a very good outline of the firing sequence and how the business rules apply to both types and how order of preference can be assigned for multiple after triggers. It does not give a great explanation of referential integrity. It explains how the before and after change data is stored in insert and deleted tables and gives a reasonable explanation of how to optimize trigger performance. Our next website is the Application Developer's Guide from Oracle 8. This website could be considered effectively as the Bible for SQL developers. It serves as an excellent reference source for database development. It provides a comprehensive guide to the SQL syntax and functions. It provides excellent examples to illustrate the way that parts of a trigger are specified. It includes a link to realistic examples of create trigger statements and examples of trigger applications. Our final trigger example is from Kodyas.com. Similarly, it provides a wealth of examples. There is also a focus on the data manipulation language, and it touches on insert, update, delete, and after triggers too. Moving on to SQL as a programming language. This is the fact site from Oracle overlining programming with SQL. Similar to ADA in terms of syntax and structure. ADA is a high-level object-oriented language extended from Pascal. SQL borrows object-oriented programming techniques such as encapsulation and information hiding, aka private data. It also covers variables, standard types, user-defined composite types, and provides examples of these. Our final website is from plsqltutorial.com. It covers programming with SQL code blocks and the 3 sections they consist of, which are the declaration section, the execution section, the exception handling section. The site also breaks up SQL commands into 4 categories. Data definition language, such as create, alter, and rename. Data manipulation language, such as select, insert, and delete. Transaction control language, such as commit and roll back. And finally, data control language, such as grant and revoke. The links to these websites are available in the description. Thank you for watching our presentation on resources associated with SQL trigger commands and SQL as a programming language.